Establishing a federal constitutional court in Pakistan, while having potential benefits and also face criticism, here's some key points against establishing a federal constitutional court. Overlap existing judicial framework. The Supreme Court of Pakistan already has the authority to interpret the constitution and address the constitutional disputes. Adding another court could create overlap in the jurisdiction, leading to confusion and inefficiency. Jurisdictional conflicts. This could be a conflict between Supreme Court and the new Federal Constitutional Court over the jurisdiction boundaries, which might complicate the legal process rather than streamline it. Resource allocation. The federal financial burden. Establishing and maintaining a new court could require significant financial resources. This include infrastructure, staffing, operational costs, and which might better utilize in strengthening the existing judicial system. Human resource. Filing qualified judges and the staff for the new court could be challenging, especially without compromising the quality and the efficiency of the existing court. Political and the legal challenges. Constitutional amendments. Creating a new court with the required amendments to the constitution, which necessitates a broad political consensus. Given Pakistan's diverse and often polarized political landscape, achieving such consensus could be difficult. Potential for political manipulation. There is a risk that a new court could be used for the political purpose, undermining its independence and the credibility. Ensuring that the court's impartiality could be a significant challenge. Access to justice. Complexity and delays. Introducing another layer of judicial review could complex the legal process and potentially leading to longer delays in the resolution of the cases. This could create many hurdles in excess of justice. Public perception. The public might perceive the new court as unnecessary addition, leading to spectralism and lack of trust in the decision. Comparative effectiveness. The international examples. While some countries have successfully implicated federal constitutional courts, others have faced challenges. For instance, the effectiveness of such courts varied widely based on the specific legal and potential context of each country. Pakistan could need careful consideration. These examples could provide potential pitfall. While the idea of a federal constitutional court aimed to address important issues like provincial disparities and specialized constitutional adjudication, it also presents significant challenges. These include potential reductions of resources, allocation of issues, political and legal hurdles, and the risk of hurdles in judicial process. Decision could be badly affected. For the larger and broader implications of justice, it is necessary that wise steps should be taken, and if it is necessary, then more courts should be established.